Hi everyone, this is Abby here and welcome to A Smoky Flavor. So now when it comes to a variety of rice, I think it is a very nice wholesome meal and today I am going to share this wonderful delicious coriander rice. It got a lot of flavor, so let's start it and check out the recipe. So for the coriander rice, I have taken 1 cup of raw basmati rice. Wash it with regular water. And soak this for at least 30 minutes. So now I am going to cook the soaked basmati rice. Take enough water in a pot and add 1 teaspoon of salt. Once the water comes to a boil, add the soaked rice. So now if you don't want to use long grain basmati rice, you can simply use your regular rice that you cook at home. Cook the rice till it is completely done. So you can see the rice is cooked and I am going to strain this and keep it aside. So next I am going to grind few ingredients for the masala for the coriander rice. In a bowl, take 1 small bunch of coriander leaves, this is the main ingredient. Then goes 2 or 3 slitted green chili, a handful of mint leaf, small onion, then goes a piece of ginger and few cloves of garlic. Then goes 2 to 3 teaspoons of freshly grated coconut. Now coconut is also optional. Just add little water and grind it into a nice thick paste. Keep it ready. Take a nice and wide pan. You need enough room to mix the rice along with the masala and cook it and make sure it is nice and wide. Then add 1 teaspoon of ghee. I am going to little generous with that because it is going to really enhance the flavor of rice. Then goes 1 teaspoon of oil and half teaspoon of cumin. Then add all the whole spices, that is bay leaves, cinnamon, cloves, green cardamom and black cardamom. Then add 2 medium sized sliced onion and 2 to 3 slitted green chili. Saute the onion till they are transparent. Then add a handful of chopped carrot. So here you can also add chopped beans and peas. These vegetables are optional. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of hing. Saute till the vegetables are cooked and keep the flame on medium to low and cook it for about 5 minutes. You can see after 5 minutes the vegetables are cooked. So now I am going to add the ground masala. So here I am not going to add any chili powder. All the spice for the rice will come from the ghee masala. Now I am just going to add very little water to the mixer jar and remove all the excess masala that's sticking to the jar. So we are going to cook the masala on medium to low flame till the raw smell goes. Then add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. So you can see the masala is cooked completely. There is no raw smell. Now slowly start mixing the rice. So I am using the longer basmati rice. So I am not going to put everything at one time. And I am going to gradually mix it. Now I am adding the remaining rice. So this portion of rice is good for about 2 to 3 people. So coriander rice is ready to be served and nice and hot. You can serve this yummy rice with some onion raita papad by the side. Wow! Our coriander rice is super easy and it is extremely delicious. You can see the ingredients. These are very simple. You can actually serve it with some nice raita and papad. Now lastly I am going to garnish it with some nuts. Thank you so much guys for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. Till then, bye bye. Jai Jagannath.